Ahoy, lad, ladies, and non-binary mateys! Let's go on an adventure on the Sea of Stockinet! Woo! I probably look more like a weird bard than a pirate! Let's flow the waves on the Stockinet Sea! Oh, this is a huge sea! I've knitted this forever! Land ho! What is this I see in the distance? Is that Sleeve Island? Oh, let's make landfall! Editor note. If the background is the color of your face, it will not key out. I know now. And after this stupid intro that I just, I had the brain fart, I just had to do it. But I picked up the sleeve, woo! We're slowly, well, I'm doing it 2 at a time because, like, it's not going faster, but in my head it's going faster. Because what happens a lot when I knit a sweater, like, I'll show you. There's a sweater that I knit off camera. So this one I'm knitting both sleeves separately, and as you can see, the other sleeve is not at all started, and this one is done. So yeah, basically I could knit just one sleeve at a time, and like it would go fast, but then at the end of the sleeve I'm like, oh, I don't want to start another one. So yeah, this one goes back in the naughty corner for now. But I'm doing it 2 at a time, just like 2 at a time socks. And in my head it goes faster because once the one sleeve is done, the other one is also done. And I can do like the diminutions, reductions. I can make them smaller at the same rate at the same time, so they are more symmetrical, basically. So yeah. Let's keep on knitting. And I think I'm gonna have to go walk the tum-tum because it wants attention very, very badly. But also, it snowed outside, so that's probably why. What's up, Coconut? Yeah, I'm going on a walk now. And then we keep on knitting for real. And here we go, our finished sweater before blocking. Yeah, so, do I love it? Mixed feeling. It's not blocked right now, so I'm still hopeful that some stuff is going to be blocked out. So final reveal will be after the blocking, but I wanted to show you what it looks like right now. A few things that I don't think will block out is the tightness of the sleeves. As you can see, the body itself is very loose, which is what I expected from the pattern. But then, the sleeves, you can probably see it better on this one, very tight. I don't know why. I would have expected like a looser sleeve. So maybe it's just a case of me frogging both sleeves and starting over. I don't know. We'll figure it out after blocking, I guess. Sleeves are tight, body is loose, so it kind of looks like it's not fitting me, kind of thing. I don't know. Like from the front, it's not too bad when like both my arms are down. It is a sweater designed to have your arms down, so like computer, because sleeve angle is very important to the fit of the of the sweater. But yeah, I'm not fan of the tight sleeve and loose body. I would have liked loose sleeve and loose body, or tight sleeve and tight body. There's also the option of just putting a like just sewing the sides a little bit under the, like from the armhole to the bottom. But this is going to be a problem for after the blocking. But right now, I love it. The wool is scratchy. I didn't know that beforehand. I didn't think it was going to be that scratchy though. But Briggs & Little wool is not the softest wool. But it's going to be like a tough wearing sweater that is not going to like just rip apart from being sitting at the chair all day. Because I have some pants that do that. Just ripped from being working at my desk job. Not fan of that. These ones, this sweater is not going to do that. But yeah, let's check the color. Let's check the color work. As you can see, there's a lot of texture, like raising bumps and stuff that should just even out in the blocking. But I'm fairly happy with it. I'm not a big wearer of turtlenecks, so I'm not used to have like this super tight one at the front and then like kind of loose at the back. But I mean, there's no to fix that. It would have needed some short rows at the back to like pull everything down like that. But then like the pattern itself doesn't fall the same. But yeah, I like it. It's comfy despite the scratchiness, and let's block it out to see what it looks like. Oh yeah, also I did one mistake. I don't know if it picks up on the camera, but there's a hole there. One day I will knit a sweater that doesn't have a hole right at the front. All right, let's go block this sweater out. There we go. So first of all, I'm wearing my hat because my wood pellet stove broke and it's cold in the house. We're waiting for the repairman. But what do I think about my sweater? Well, once blocked, I feel like it's not as bad on like, because I feel like it's a bit too big on the body, but it's not as bad as it used to be. I feel like it feels better. And the sleeves are not as tight, well, at least not around the bicep, are not as tight. So I feel like it's a win-win. But also, I don't... turtlenecks. Not my favorite. But yeah, this is my sweater. And let's have a look at the... yes, okay. Focus is on auto. So let's look at... is it? No, it's on manual. No, it's on auto. Okay. Please focus on me. Or don't. I'll do it manually. There you go. So as you can see, all the little bumps that used to be here are now gone. Oh yeah. And yeah, it's still scratchy. It's still very scratchy, but I kind of like it. It looks very good. Yeah. So this was all hand-dyed with some beautiful, oops, my face. This was all hand-dyed with some beautiful walnut leaves from my garden, and then hand knit throughout the fall and the winter, but mostly during my Christmas vacation. And yeah, I'm kind of happy with it. I'm not sure I'm gonna be doing... Tommy is chasing his tail. Not sure I'm gonna be doing another sweater in Briggs and Little wool, because it's a bit too scratchy, in my opinion. But I'm happy with the result, because this is vacation wool. So I don't know, there's like an extra depth of love in this sweater. So yeah, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about it. Did you ever knit this sweater by Saskie Co? Yeah. She used to be Petite Knitter, and now she's called Saskie Co. Canadian knitwear designer. And it's very cute. First time I did the socks from her, but first time I do one of her sweater. I kind of like it. I wasn't sure about the fit, but I think I kind of like it now. Maybe it's a tensioning problem. Maybe it's a me problem, but never know. Let me know in the comment below if you've ever knit anything from her. And before my battery runs out, I will wish you a beautiful evening. As you can see, it is night over here. There was supposed to be some northern lights, but I couldn't see them, sadly. Oh well. If you want to see another knitting video, it should be on this side here, on my very fuzzy, non-focusing camera. It should be on this side here. And as for me, I will see you next time. Bye-bye.